Today I'm going to build the shelving unit. These are the instructions. They're pictures. I'm going to start taking all the parts out of the box and see how it goes. Okay, I guess first thing I need to do is find part 906 and 907 and put them along the rail. Okay, I've opened the box for the top shelving. I'm looking for the parts. I'm supposed to have 2 of these 908s. I have 1. Maybe it's because it's an extension, so it fits onto the second one. This one says extension, which I opened first. Maybe because it's the extension, it only needs 1 hanging bar in the center. And the next box, which I should have opened first, has 2. They don't explain it. I am going to explain it. One has to go on one goes on the other, and this extension piece must go in the middle, or at the other end. So the middle just utilizes one, which makes total sense. Going in with the first one. Okay, I'm confused already. Of course I am. 4 of these. 1, 2, 3. What I'm confused about is it's supposed to go like this. Here it's supposed to go like that. That makes total sense. This bar is in the way. For this to fit. And it feels like it's on an angle. I don't think it's supposed to be on an angle.
These go in the corner. 906 and 907. Right there.
Right.
We're doing this over and over again.
However, it does not go into the corner.
Even though it shows it goes.
It shows
right
it goes in
next
the
to
corner, but if you look,
it's next to it.
my wonderful viewers, so if I want to put this here as the picture shows, this bar is in the way. So I think we have to start it, unless we go underneath. So that's my first big dilemma, is where exactly does this go?
So it's here to here, right?
It goes all the way
And
across,
it goes like this. Okay.
but it's not going to fit.
No, I hear you. So this is supposed to lock in here, and then where does the bottom of this lock into?
Let's just start here. Let's skip that and let's go here for now.
Deal.
I think I know what they're doing. I know what they're doing, I think. So we don't put this on yet. It looks like they're making it so you can put the bolt and the nut together.
That's not right.
Put it through there. It's not fitting. I had to push. Okay.
You do it like this. So you've got do you have this kind?
Yeah. Okay, so it's just, Gonna put this on the bottom. I'm totally making this up, so we'll see if this works.
Why are, okay, I don't understand.
Well, we have to use these because they have to be able to go slide in. There's no other way to get.
Okay. Do you have the screwdriver thing?
Yeah. Give me a second. So this would come up to meet that eventually. I don't think I recommend tightening these bolts completely yet because it's going to have to shift.
Well, that was what I was doing, and it came right out.
I'm putting the bolt on a little bit so I can grab it, put it in, twist it.
Well, where are the rest of the...
Can I have the bolt tightener, please?
Let's see. They're just 3 per.
You're doing a great job.
I love close-ups. which is not true.
She hates being in front of the camera. It's like torture.
It is.
There, look at that. See how she got in there? Oh, that was
All right.
that was like this crazy twist of awesomeness. Okay, get the other one in.
Comes doing it.
All right, Heather is mounting.
That's nice. All right.
Oh, she did it. I think. Oh, come on. There
There.
it is. Just gonna give it a little tighten. Oh,
Nope. It does not want to stay.
twist it the other way. Okay, so I'm taking the level.
There.
That should be good. Good morning. Today is June 19th. Come hell or high water, we're going to finish the Climapod today. Putting the shelves in. Shelves are very, very confusing. Mistakes are being made. Getting brackets, things mixed up. So we're going to continue today. Here's mistake number one. Yesterday I put these in, and these are small brackets when they should have been these large brackets. So that made a huge difference, but enough that I have to put one there. I didn't do this down here, so one goes there as well. Now that's on. Okay, we're gonna use these kind of screws. It's level there.
Uh-huh.
Hey. All right. All right. It is level right here. I'm gonna make another hole and drill through that. I do a little starter hole like I did before. All right, let's tighten this down. Yesterday I was questioning the sides and why they only gave us, still questioning, 3 rails. So I'm gonna put the corner rails on the way I think they need to go on. Since the instructions are a little loosey-goosey. I'm gonna put this in. It's gonna go here. I'm out of spare bolts. Heather's finding me some crop bolts.
I found 4.
She found 4. So I'm gonna put this one in here. Match up with that. I know it's exciting. Whoever designed the Climapod is sick and twisted.
Yeah.
Looks like a freaking glove.
How are you going to put the bottom of it in there?
It doesn't get a bottom. So that's the
Oh.
thing. It's like the picture says this gets a bottom,
But it doesn't.
but it doesn't. It only gets the support brace going up.
Oh. Oh.
So that's it. I need the other. Can you hand me the little wrench by the drill? Okay, I have 8 of the shelf holders in. 2 in the center. Over there. And now we're going to put the shelf in. And then after the shelf, we're going to put the bracket holders. It looks like they go in the center, but we have to slip them in. It says 1 each,
All right.
but there's 2 holes. I don't know why.
Okay.
So let's go with 1 each. It just has to probably even skip them. Okay. So I guess we would now flip it over. Sliding the bolts in, and then we're gonna flip them over and line them up. This so far
Whoops.
shows to be a little easier.
My God, it actually just went in on its own. Like a freaking miracle.
So I think it's really important that you at least get that rod into place here before getting these shelves in, because it would be really tricky to try to get that rod in with the shelf right beside it. Plus it'll help you give you that room that you need to space it out. I'm gonna put the rod in. It's supposed to be super simple. Everything's supposed to be super simple. So let's see. Gonna get the nut on the bolt. The rod can go in place. This slips through, turn,
This is unfortunate. You have you over here.
and then that's it. So I think the best thing to do, even though everything's supposed to be already level, let's get our level. Okay, the shelf is in. Look, totally level. All the way across. I have no idea how much weight it's supposed to support. The big shelf we're putting on the other side, it's basically the same thing as the small shelf, so I'm not going to do any kind of step-by-step. Instead, we're just going to time-lapse it. It's always interesting, right?